Hello, and thank you for watching the Kempler Design Vlog. Today we're going to talk about roller shades that are done with Alpha Tubular Motors and some of the special things that we did to make it all work. It is a Pfeiffer fabric. We also did some really nice cornices. Now it looks fairly small, but that is 18 inches tall because that is a 16-foot wide window. And then we have the ones here on the side. So when we use the remote control, and of course you can use it on the app as well, we could put it in multi-mode, and right here at the center, if you look really carefully, you see how there's an S there? If I hit this button, notice how it changes to M. And when I do that, it becomes multi-mode, and all the shades in the room are going to be able to lower. So just press the button, and you'll notice that all of the shades are lowering to the bottom. Now, a couple things that we did that were a little different is that they wanted on these to have the windows completely open. But I just want you to get a feel for the level of darkness the room has. I always talk about this. There is some light that comes here and around, but it's actually pretty minimal. And on the sides too, when I'm looking at it with my eyeballs, you could barely see the light. But over here, like right here, it looks super bright. It's not. It does a pretty great job of blocking to the point where the clients are super happy with it. If you put this on the single mode, and now it's on shade number 4, is going to go up to the top. And it works independently. So now again, I could put it on multi-mode and just raise all of them, and they're all going to go up. Now this is what I wanted to show you. Notice it goes all the way to the top, above the top, and now we've got this cornice that sits right here. And if we look at it, it does a nice job of hiding the area up there at the top. So it just maximizes the height. We don't make it look like it's coming into the room too much. Same thing here. We've got the cornice that goes up over the top, and then the shade that goes up underneath. When you're doing these kind of shades, it used to be that anytime you did a door like this, people often used to say, well, it has to be something that goes side to side. So people would do draperies or vertical blinds or all kinds of different products like the Luminet or the Smart Drape. But now roller shades with motorization are becoming incredibly popular. So I just wanted to show you what it looks like. Again, the Alpha Tubular Motors are a great system. They're comparable to a lot of the other ones that are out there. Somfy's one that's really well known. Hunter Douglas has good motorization systems, but this one of the things that I like about it, which is similar to Somfy and similar to Rollies, and probably soon with Hunter Douglas, what they're going to be doing in the near future, is the batteries are rechargeable and they're inside the tube. So it makes it easy if you don't have a lot of space available. So I went into a ton of detail here that you probably don't need completely, but take a look at the blog and we'll discuss some other factors here that might be relevant to you. Thanks for watching the Kempler Design Vlog.